Hi guys, welcome back to another video. First of all, Happy New Year's to everyone. I hope you all had an awesome holiday. But with that time gone now, we have to get back to work. So where are we now on this Satria? Last time I left you guys, we were pulling it the ghetto style, as I like to call it. But then after that, what we have done since is, friend at Tour Garage, he wanted to go above and beyond for me. So what he did is he replaced the beaver panel for me. So he removed the beaver panel. When he was removing my one, he sent me a picture of the beaver panel not connected at all. So the previous workers never bothered to weld it together. Then once he removed it and test fitted the new panel, he sent me another picture showing the size of the gap. He could even stick his finger in there. He went above and beyond by taking one of his mates who has a pulley machine, pulled the rear floor plan back into place, then welded it back together. So new day. As you can see, Satria has been completely pulled into place. It took a lot of effort. As you can see, the boys got all the machines out and they got the whole rear panel to line up perfectly. You can see here, it is all completely closed. I'm pretty sure I have showed the pictures already that were sent to me, but yeah, unfortunately I wasn't here to record all this, but the effort made was beautiful. So now everything lines up perfectly. The wheels need to be cleaned up, primer to seal up all the rust. You see here they tied down the front of the car so they can do the pulling at the back. Door's still looking good. Well, as good as it will, as a blue color. And we're good to go. So not much more to go before we can actually start saving some money for the paint job. A lot of this was surface rust as well, so I think I'll be able to get that fixed pretty easily. All the rust down here now is gone, so thank God for that. But yeah, we're looking good. Oh, look at my baby. She's looking good. Let's see how she closes that. Open it up, move these out of the way. Hang on. Look at that now. See everything. We've got the seam sealer in, so no more water going inside. These have all been flattened down, smooth. Everything looks good. And the way it closes is, hang on. The way it closes is like this. Oh. Nice. My friend was also kind enough to do me the favor and try and color match the paint. But this car is painted candy red. I don't know if you know much about candy colors, but the color is in the clear coat. So after some time, the color will fade. But he tried to match it as best as he could, and he's a bit off. But it's the thought that counts. I mean, it actually looks better than being blue and red, you know what I mean? I didn't mind it actually. I drove it around. It's been almost a month now that I have driven the car. Either way, I'm gonna have to sand it all down and start getting this whole body ready for paint. Let's do the little things that we can and go from there. Has arrived. I bought it online off Shopee. Well, people don't know what Shopee is. Technically, it's the same as eBay, but the Southeast Asia version, cheap one. So let's do an unpacking video. Let's see what we got. Here we go. Let's see how this looks. Ooh, ready for this? Oh! So what do you guys think? It's another cheap brand, but it actually feels pretty nice. But then again, so did the fake Nadi when I put it on the car. So this is obviously another fake Momo, but yeah, it's not going to be falling apart and making a mess in the car. So install this right away. Here we go. Alright, so I sprayed a couple of coats on this, but it didn't turn out as good as I wanted to for some reason. For example, I had this big long scratch right here. I didn't even know I had that there. Of course, like every other paint repair that you do, you have to wait till the paint dries and then sand it down again and then smooth it out again and then put another coat. So I'm gonna leave this like this for now. I mean, it's not perfect. You can still see some of the blemishes underneath. It'll have to be redone, but it's black. So it's a good start for now. Alright, I've done painting the back half of it for the driver's side, of course. So the front and the rear is already done. They look nice and matched up. I've got to do the other side, and then that'll be all I have to do for this part. So I'm going to share a picture here of what I have planned to do on this car. It's a picture that one of my workmates photoshopped for me. Technically, it's what route of this car is going to take. Of course, I have planned to put a V8 into it, but I can't afford that. So I'm going to stick to this 4-cylinder. This will become my daily driver, but the looks of it is going to be the same as what I have in that Photoshop image. Yeah. Next, after this, I'm going to lower it more at the front and at the back. So I want this car to sit really low, get the body done, and I think that'll be pretty much it, huh? After that, engine work. So turbocharging, intercooler, ECU, whatever I can get my hands on from there. Yeah, I think this car is going to be put on hold after this, and we're going to continue with the other projects, which I'm going to talk about right now. All right, so what I want to talk to you guys about is how slowly my video uploads have been, and even though I want to bring you guys more as much as I can, I'm very limited. So what my plan is for this year is I'm going to bring you more of what other people are doing that I know of. For example, my friends, to our garage, he's right now working on an Alfa Romeo. He's also working on an R32 GTR. And also, I can also bring you some of the cars that I've done previously, like a Porsche 930. I'll share these pictures as I go as well. The Porsche 930, yeah, some jobs that I've done around here, just little bits and pieces, because I can't show the whole thing due to privacy and stuff like that. Also, I will also bring you some of the cars that we have here at my workplace. So, for example, my boss, he has a R34 GTR, the Vulcan R34 GTR, McLaren P1, the McLaren P1. He's got a Shelby GT Cobra, the Shelby Cobra, Ford GT40. He's got Ford GT40. All these nice cars like that I can talk to you about. And just recently he also got the Bugatti Bolide. Bolide or Bolide? I'm not sure how it's pronounced, but anyway. Yeah, you also got that in as well. So I will bring you insight on all of these things, talk about them, what they are and how they came into his possession. So I will bring you all the cars from JPM. I will bring you cars that I've done outside of JPM. I'll also bring you the cars that my friends have done. I know a lot of you have heard about this car. It's known as the Myvi Guinea. Yep. The owner of the R32 is the same owner of the Myvi Guinea. If you guys want to know more about this car, let me know. Put it down in the comments. Tell me what you think. If you want me to do a full breakdown of this car, let me know, I can. Like I said, the owner is a personal friend of mine, so he's happy to share all the information with me. You guys want to know more about this? Let me know in the comments, yeah? That is the plan for 2025. My videos are mainly based on DIYs and how you can fix your own car at home for the least amount of money. That's the plan, at least. Since I have to fund myself, it makes it very difficult to financially do new things to teach you guys. Yeah, I'm gonna start reviewing cars and bringing you cars that I have access to. So that is the plan for 2025. I hope you guys enjoy it, and if you guys made it this far onto my video, thank you so much for watching. And those who are new here, please remember to like and subscribe. Like I said, I'm trying to grow as a YouTuber, so it would help a lot if you guys start to follow, like, subscribe, and also share my videos with your friends, let them know about me. I'm all about trying to get people to work on their own cars or save money. Thank you very much, guys. Remember to like and subscribe, share my videos, leave me a comment, and see you guys next time. Bye. Young girls, like your mother. My mama said trust no